Welcome to ArchiCAD Crash Course for Architects. This course is designed to help you with ArchiCAD and master its essential tools and features. By the end of this course, you will be able to define and divide spaces within a building through the Wall tool, distinguish different wall types, and modify their properties. We're going to cover the essential tools that you need to effectively use ArchiCAD and create a detailed model along with its plans. Let's get started. ArchiCAD offers a comprehensive set of tools for building construction, such as walls. Walls are the primary building blocks defining the perimeter and internal partitions of a building. In ArchiCAD, walls are versatile and customizable, allowing you to create detailed and precise models. We have listed down the different types of walls that are available in ArchiCAD. The first one is single wall. Creating a single wall in ArchiCAD is a fundamental task that forms the basis for more complex architectural designs. To get started, make sure that the wall tool is highlighted on your palette. Once highlighted, hover on the geometry method on the info box to select the desired shape. The first selection is the straight. If you long press on this selection, it will allow other options on how you would like to draw your linear wall. Next is chained walls. Creating chained walls in ArchiCAD allows you to design continuous connected segments of walls efficiently. This feature is particularly useful for creating building perimeters or complex layouts with multiple connected walls. Creating a rectangular wall configuration in ArchiCAD involves drawing 4 interconnected walls to form a rectangle. The last one is a rotated rectangular wall, but we'll discuss this further after the other wall elements. The last one is a rotated rectangular wall, but we'll discuss this further after the other wall elements. The next selection is the curved wall method. Similar to the linear method, this option offers several ways to add curved walls to your model space. Center point and radius wall defines a curved wall by specifying the center point and the radius. The circumference wall creates a curved wall by defining its circumference. The tangential wall adds a curved wall that is tangent to an existing wall. Following the curved wall method is the trapezoid method. And that concludes the second session of our ArchiCAD Crash Course. In this session, we've learned how to add essential tools like the Wall tool, Settings dialog, and various methods for creating walls such as the linear, curved, and trapezoid walls. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into advancing modeling techniques, including creating complex building elements.